to?
Road Atlanta.
Welcome back. I'm here at Michelin Raceway Road Atlanta for 24 hours of LeMons, not to be confused with limes.
Some of you might be familiar with 24 hours of LeMons. This is not that. This is a spoof of that, where all of the cars entered in the race were purchased for under $500, and then they run them for 24 hours. Although in this race, it's not a continuous 24 hours. They take a break Saturday night, and then pick up again Sunday morning. But it gets interesting, because if you've ever owned a $500 car, you know how unreliable it is. Let's go see what we can find out.
Very wet.
Oh, I'm blind.
It stopped raining for a bit, so we're going out to explore the racetrack.
This is a pretty sweet venue. Do you like it here?
Yeah, it's not bad. It was sunny.
It's been raining off and on like all day. Apparently it rains at this event every single year.
But we have a nice view, so
Yeah, the view is friggin' sweet. You've just got to be above or below the fence. We walked all the way around the racetrack. It's interesting here. There's lots of hills, lots of woods, and lots of walking trails and campsites. There's a few areas that say no camping, but otherwise it seems like it's pretty open. But since it's been raining for the entire event, there's been a lot of crashes. I think they said there was like 150 cars registered, and as of this morning, mid-morning, there was like 100 cars that actually had recorded miles for today, or recorded laps, and they expect about half or so to finish.
And it's gonna rain even harder tomorrow.
So we've been trying to record video, but a lot of it is rainy. Oh well. Can I see the list?
Oh, yeah, of course.
I want to video it. It's hilarious. How come this one is a committee vote?
Because it depended on how much damage.
Okay. I mean, it's at least 2 panels.
That's too little. You ripped off something. You dented the door.
It wasn't me!
I don't know. It's gonna be a hefty fine. It's gonna be a hefty fine.
Penalty box for it? I voluntarily went in.
Oh,
I didn't get black flags.
Voluntarily went in.
All parties are at home.
So we haven't really shown you our campsite because we haven't had one yet. We've moved the van around a few times, but I think we finally found the spot that we want to park for the evening, and I just have to move us there. So hold on one sec. The racing just ended, and these are the chase vehicles passing through. But how's that for a view of the track? What do you do after a day of racing?
We're back cooking again. Tonight we're making tortelloni with sausage and roasted broccoli. It's actually going to be air fried broccoli and air fried pork ribs.
One thing we didn't tell you was that we're here to support our friend Andrew, who you've actually seen in some of our videos. He did work on the shower for us. We were only like a short 7-hour drive away from the event, and he was like, hey, you should come out and watch this. And we're always down to watch race cars, so here we are. It's another beautiful day at Road Atlanta in Brazelton, Georgia. And we're gonna watch some $500 beaters run around this track in the rain for several more hours. Should be fun.
You want the van to be running still or no?
It's pretty comfy seating.
Yeah, not bad.
Mindy's got her little blanket on. The heat's on in the van. We got music if we want it. Here they go. The racing's just started. Seems like they do 2 laps under yellow, so there's no passing. We're here to cheer on our friends in the number 900 Golf. So there's 5 drivers in 1 car and also 5 mechanics. But we were hanging out with them last night. We didn't shoot any video because it was dark and we were inside of their RV, which is small and it's always difficult to film in a small place like that. But we had a really good time hanging out with everybody. Everybody here is just like having a good time, and this is not a very competitive event, but it's a good time. They said everything is made up and the points don't matter. There's a lot of variables in this event. Obviously, all of the cars are completely different. There's all different types of engines, drive systems. One car might have a lot of power, but it might be terrible at corners, or a car may be very slow, but it might be very reliable. And if you have a lot of uptime, you stand a chance of winning at this race. But also, your crew might just be good at bribing the judges, because apparently you can negotiate for penalty laps. You can bribe the judges with beers or whatnot to get an advantage, I guess. Yeah, it's a whole thing. But it's a very interesting event. Did you break?
One of the spark plugs exploded.
Ooh. Oh yeah, it's roached.
Yeah, it's no bueno. I wonder why he doesn't run right.
You guys also had an issue with the wiper. Got fixed. Nice.
Oh my god. Can you come grab? Yeah? Side, yeah, we cracked the ring line. There's another crack over here.
Get it on her or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh god.
Yeah. Yep, that's it.
That's a bummer. How did it happen?
Yeah, ring line.
I was just on the back space.
All right, Andy, water stop the motor or not? Yes, no. No. Luke, what do you want to do? Yes, no.
Impartial.
Help. It was supposed to be a committee vote. Darn it. Yes, no. There's not very rally spirit of this. Fuck it, let's just replace this.
We're not at a rally.
I know, but it's like, it's that. Look,
It's all right there. Right there.
we have like 7 hours.
We drank it all the way from New Hampshire.
We have 7 hours.
Let's do it.
But there's also 7 hours if you're drinking beer. I'm just playing
That's
the other
what-
side.
yeah, that's
Playing the
also-
other side right now.
That sounds kind of fun.
People are gonna do the
I
most
also
work.
wouldn't mind packing up early and then just could just run it on 3 cylinders and get laps in.
Sure.
Sure. Let's do that.
Don't have to swap a motor. It's already fucked.
It's not going to blow up the head, right?
Oh, the head's probably trash.
Everything's fucked.
Yeah, we've lost everything.
The cam's gonna be fine.
Yeah, sure. That's,
As long as
I
we
guess
keep
that's all I
walking.
really care. That's all that really matters.
Jordan destroyed the engine.
So the next time we build another engine, let's get the injectors sent out and cleaned. And
Those are brand
tested.
new.
They were brand new.
Yeah, look at them.
They didn't look.
I don't know. One time I got a set of injectors
Yeah.
sent out and cleaned,
Do you know what new
and they
stand?
came back and they were still not spraying.
Do you know what new
What's the
stands
penalty for destroying the whole
Never
engine?
worked.
I'm not exactly sure because this is a committee vote again. Because Andy destroyed the bumper easily replaced.
Oh yeah, we still have to do all the penalties.
Jordan destroyed the engine, so I don't know what his penalty is going to be.
That's
at least responsible.
That's what we get to do this afternoon.
Oh, let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
What?
We're going to do all of our penalties.
Oh yeah.
And he's gonna be wasted by like fucking 12.
Yeah, new and I'm
And-
fucked.
We should probably get
Andy.
packed up before then.
Yes.
All right, let's get packed
I
up.
feel like that's the biggest penalty because it pushed you out of the race.
It did. Jordan has the worst right now. You better get started liking those.
After a lot of debate and a pretty lackluster group vote, the team decided to pack everything up early and continue as spectators for the event because none of them were feeling like swapping the engine in their car to finish out Sunday's race. So they started drinking early and they all got way too drunk and had a great time. Mandy and I had a lot of fun spectating 24 hours of LeMons. So thanks for the suggestion to Andrew, and maybe you guys will go check it out after watching this video. If you want to see more events, let us know. Tomorrow we're going to take this thing to the drag strip, see how it does, get a baseline run before the EV conversion. And in a couple weeks it's Sick Week here in Florida, and we're going to go check that out as well. So stay tuned for more videos, subscribe, and keep watching.